Woo, 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 woo. Oh Lord, I love you so much, so much. When I see all these destructive things mankind has done to Mother Earth and our environment, I feel so disappointed. So this is my contribution towards our upliftment. Mother Nature, sweet Mother Nature, I feel the pain when you cry. Mother Nature, sweet Mother Nature, I feel the pain when you cry. If we continue to cut down the trees, there'll be no rainfall. And if you keep on taking abortion, no one will be left on creation. This is what life has taught me, yeah. And I'm here to set you free. I need equal rights and justice. I don't want no peace at all. Mother Nature, sweet Mother Nature, I feel the pain when you cry. Yeah. Mother Nature, sweet Mother Nature, I feel the pain when you cry. Yeah. From the vehicles to the factories where them have out there, keep polluting your atmosphere. And I can see it from the first and nobody no care. So where is the love we used to share? I see them constantly destroying the ozone layer. By now the hole must be getting much wider. That's why the sun penetrates so hot from what day, yeah. Just like so go build them with culture. Mother Nature, sweet Mother Nature, I feel the pain when you cry, yeah. Mother Nature, sweet Mother Nature, I feel the pain when you cry, yeah. Oh sweet mama, when you cry, I cry too. When you smile, I smile too. Can't take that look up on your face when you're sad and blue. So I write these two lines from me to you, just to let you know how much I love and adore you. Ooh, ooh, oh Lord, I love you so much, so much. Mother Nature, sweet Mother Nature, I feel the pain when you cry, yeah. Mother Nature, sweet Mother Nature, I feel the pain when you cry, yeah. Woo, 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 woo. Oh Lord, I love you so much, so much. Just like.